Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about LOOPRING price prediction and LOOPRING news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for LOOPRING in 2022. LOOPRING is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of LOOPRING is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the LOOPRING Foundation, which manages the development of the LOOPRING protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Remember that coin takeoff after the GameStop partnership rumor a couple of months ago? After the idea of the metaverse, the news drew attention to several cryptocurrencies associated with this concept, and with the entire crypto gaming and NFT sector in general. And the biggest beneficiary of this was the little-known cryptocurrency LOOPRING, LRC, which was worth about $0.4 before Facebook's announcement, and 5 days later, on November 2nd, hit an all-time high of $1.7084, a rise of almost 330%. Despite a 2-day correction, LOOPRING quickly resumed its growth, and is currently showing a gain of 25% since yesterday, and more than 110% in a week, making it by far the best performing cryptocurrency in the top 100. It is currently in 75th place. What keeps it afloat and gives impetus? If LOOPRING continues to grow, it's because its growth was driven by positive news other than the metaverse craze. Last Thursday, the trade press noticed that a code snippet posted on GitHub had a hint pointing to a partnership with GameStop, New York Stock Exchange GME, which has not been refuted. We will follow the development of events this week, as a refutation can lead to a fall in the currency, and a confirmation can lead to a new record. LOOPRING runs on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing users to trade assets on various exchanges. It is not a decentralized exchange per se, but it is possible to trade assets without depositing funds to the exchange. And what is now heard about this token? LOOPRING could take further losses as the sellers were too strong at the crucial moment. In February 2021, LOOPRING was trading below the 87 cents resistance level, and in July 2021, the price dropped to 17 cents. Later in November, LOOPRING rose to $3.6, and the price pulled back heavily in the following months. This long time horizon gives us some idea of the importance that the $0.8, $0.9 area has held in the past. At the time of writing, the LRC has again reached the 87 cent support level. The short-term bias for the coin turned out to be bearish. Using the swing high and low at $1.1 and $0.878 T marketplace. Go next news. How to use Layer 2 rollups to avoid gas fees. Ultra-high gas fees and slow transaction times have tested the loyalty and patience of Ethereum users ever since it became the leading smart contract platform. Despite everything, Ethereum was still processing roughly 1.19 million transactions per day as of January 2022, amid a massive dip in the market. However, the concerns of existing users cannot be ignored if Ethereum wants to remain on top, especially with the proliferation of faster chains like Solana, BSC, Phantom and many more. The best immediate solution for Ethereum's scaling problem is undoubtedly Layer 2 rollup technology, which has been in development and pursued by separate entities since at least 2017. If such a solution exists, everyone should already be using it, right? The truth is that there are some trade-offs to Ethereum on-chain that currently prevent Layer 2s from going mainstream. However, if low fees and fast transactions are really important to you, you need to accept the fact that there will be extra steps you need to take. Rollups are not plug-and-play solutions. They are slightly more technical and have more friction due to the requirement of bridging from 1 layer to 2 layer, and vice versa. Thankfully, rollup projects have made several breakthroughs in the last year that have significantly improved their user experience, efficiency and other features. What are Layer 2 rollups? Layer 2 rollups are scaling solutions predominantly utilized in the Ethereum ecosystem, which outsource the execution of transactions outside the main blockchain, but retain some data per transaction on-chain. This allows transactions to leverage the same security model as the Ethereum main network, while being processed in a separate layer, preventing network congestion, and enabling faster confirmation times. There are 2 types of rollups, each with its own design and security properties. Optimistic rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence, they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero-knowledge (ZK) rollups, which are mostly capable of running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. Zero-knowledge rollups ZK rollups transfer batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2, and LOOPRING price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. LOOPRING price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of LOOPRING will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, LOOPRING will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the LOOPRING price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. LOOPRING Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, LOOPRING, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted LOOPRING's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of LOOPRING will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that LOOPRING's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.50